Hello everyone, welcome back to class 12 mathematics solution session. So today in this session I am going to solve you a fixed 2 marks question from the chapter determinants. So for in your annual examinations the question number 22 is always from the chapter determinants, right? So here let me go to things that the question number 22, right? The question number 22 is the part where we can check out. I think there will be 3 concepts will be from the chapter of determinants. So for that point of view, see the question 22 is based on 3 concepts. That is, one is on area of a triangle. Concept 2 is finding the value of k where area of a given triangle is given, and the third one find the equation of a line joining using determinants. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22 ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 100% ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಯುವರ್ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ PYQs ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿನೇ ನೀವು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ triangle using determinants, right? So if you go and search your NCERT, there will be only 4 questions available. So ಈ 4 questions ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So let me go through the things one by one. See the first question, find the area of a triangle with the vertices 3,8, -4,2, 5,1. So this question has been asked in 2016, 19 and 22. So 3 times ಇದು repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. So we know that area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is given by what? By the formula half of determinant of x1, y1 1 and x2, y2 1, x3, y3 and 1, right? So we know that let us take out the 3 vertices of the triangle are like A point, B point and C point. Let us take out the first point as 3,8 and the second point B as -4,2 and the point C as 5,1, right? So here the coordinates are like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay now, so if you update all these values in your given formula, I think you will get 3,8,1 and -4,2,1 as well as 5,1,1. You know how to resolve the determinants here. It is plus minus plus alva, so that will be equal to half of in the determinant value, that is plus of 3, that is 3 times of 2 into 1. You have to leave this column and this row. So 2 into 1 is 2, minus of 1 into 1 is 1, right? Again minus of 8 in the bracket. So leave this column and this row. So -4 into 1 will be what? -4. Minus of 5 into 1 will be 5. Okay, and again it is a plus 1. So plus 1 of, you leave this column, row and column. So I will get -4 into 1. -4 into 1 is -4 and that of minus of 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, if you simplify all of these values, I will get half of, it is 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 times of 1, -8, -4 minus 5 is -9. Again plus 1 of -4 minus 10 is -14, right? So again I will get the value as half of, it is 3, minus into minus is plus, 8 into 9, that is 72. Again plus into minus is minus, it is -14, right? So if you simplify again, I will get half of, it is 72 plus 3. 72 plus 3 is 75, and in that you have to subtract 14. So we will get it is 61, right? So answer will be what? 61 divided by root 2. You have to put the SI unit, that is area can be measured in square units alva. So for the formula they will be given half marks and the correct answer and with the procedure everything you are going to get 1.5. So totally it contains it has 2 marks. Okay, so in this passion if you solve all these 4 questions, so definitely ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 marks ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So but you should be very careful where the minus sign is there. Okay na, so plus and minus ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 marks ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. For that kind of you should be very careful that. Okay, let me solve one more questions and remaining questions ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, let me go through the one more question, that is second one. See, now I will solve the second question, that is find the area of a triangle with the vertices -2, -3, 3, 2, -1, -8 using determinants. So this question is also asked 3 times in 18, 20 and 23 also. Okay, let me check out the given points. Consider it as A point, that is -2, -3, and the given point B, will take it as 3, 2, and the C point as -1, -8. So we know the formula, that is area of triangle is given by half of determinant of, that is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and it is x3 y3 1. Okay, so you should be careful that area should be measured in positive, right? So modulus ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here half of, so x1 y1 1 value, it is x1 y1, x2 y2, and it is x3 y3. So you need to be very careful here. So I think it is -2 -3 and it is 1, and 3 2 1, and -1 -8 1. Okay, if you simplify what we will get, that is half of in the bracket, so minus, it is plus minus plus, so plus into -2 is what, -2. So this is what I'm going to tell you. You should be very careful while taking the symbols, right? Here plus and here it is minus, so plus of -2 means -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is equal to, so leave this column and this row, you will get 2 into 1 is what, 2, minus -8 into 1 is -8. So minus of -8 will be what, +8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you should be very careful here. So most of the students mistake ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Again minus of minus into minus direct ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. So minus of -3 will be what, +3 in the bracket. So you need to check out this. You leave this column and this row. So I think 3 into 1. So 3 into 1 will be what, 3, minus -1 into 1. -1 into 1 is -1. So minus of minus will be what, +1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So direct I will go through this. Again +1 into bracket, leave this column and this row. So we will get -3 into -8. So 3 into -8 is -24, minus of, again -1 into this 2 will be what, -2. So minus of minus will be what, plus, it is 2, right? So again if you simplify, means you will get half of -2 and 8 plus 2, that is 10, plus 3, 3 plus 1, that is 4, plus 1, minus 24 plus 2 is -22, right? So again if you simplify, you will get half of, it is -20 plus 3 into 4, 12, again plus into minus is -22, right? So again if you simplify, I think you will get half of, see, -20 plus 12 will be what, -8 minus 22. Okay, so finally you will get what, -30 divided by 2, but area cannot be taken in negative, no? So area of a triangle should be taken in modulus. So your final answer is what, it is 2 1s are 2 15s are, that is 15 square units ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So your answer will be 15 square units. So this is how you need to go through the things. You need to write given data carefully with the given, consider the points and the formulae and the steps. So everything contains 2 marks. Okay, so in this passion you try to solve the third question and fourth question. So definitely ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 marks ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, suppose if he has not asked area of a triangle concept ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it might a chance that he may ask the questions regarding finding the value of k when the area of given triangle is given using the determinants ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So most of the time questions ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, so you need to be careful. So let me solve the first one, that is fifth question. So if area of the triangle with the vertices minus 2 comma 0 0 comma 4 and 0 comma k is 4 square units, then find the value of k using determinants anta keltane. So here he has given the 3 vertices as well as area of a triangle, right, and he was asking what k value. So tumbane simple agirutte. Let me write the things. See here, consider your points like a point as minus 2 comma 0 and it is 0 comma 4 and 0 comma k as the 3 points like a b c. So area of a triangle is given. So area of triangle with the vertices abc is what? Area of triangle abc is given, that is 4 square units, right? You need to find the value of k. Okay, so for this you need to apply the same formula of area of a triangle, that is we know that area of a triangle, since the vertices are abc, I will taken, so here it is half of, that is x1 y1 1 and it is x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Okay na. So since area of a triangle is given, that is how much? It is 4 square units alva. So here you need to apply all the values, that is half of x1 value is here. See, take these vertices as x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. So insert all the values, you will get it is minus 2 0 1 and it is 0 4 1 and 0 k 1. So this is all is equal to what? 4 agutte. And if you take this 2 here in this left hand right hand side, so you are going to have it is 8 alva. So determinant of minus 2 comma 0 comma 1 and 0 4 1 0 k 1, which is equal to 8 alva. So 2 into 4 is 8. So if you simplify this determinant, that is plus into minus into plus, okay, you are going to have the values here. So let me solve. It is minus 2 into bracket, so 4 into 1 is what? 4 minus k into 1 is k. Okay, and then minus of 0, so minus of 0 into bracket, so leave this column and this row, that is 0 into 1 is 0 minus 0 into 1 is again 0 and it is plus 1. So plus 1 into bracket, leave this last column and the first row, you are going to have 0 into k is 0 minus 0 into 4 is again 0, right, which is equal to 8 units. So if you simplify this, so it is minus 2 into 4 is what? Minus 8 and minus of minus will be plus, that is 2k. Again this will be, so minus 0 into anything is 0, again 0 into anything is 0, so whole thing will get cancelled, only left is what? 8. So minus 8 shifted here, so you will get 2k is equal to 8 plus 8, then 2k is equal to 16, then definitely k is equal to 2 ones are and it is 2 8s are cancel agutte. So you are going to have the k value is 8. So this is how you need to solve these kind of questions. So you have around about 3 questions based on finding the value of k irutte, you need to check. Okay, so this is how you need to go for the 2 marks questions from the determinant chapter. So you apply the same thing here in the last question. Using the determinant, show that the points a comma b plus c and b of b comma c plus a and c of c comma a plus b are collinear anta kelidane, right? So here let me solve this question and you need to check out this 6th one and 7th one for the value of k. So easy irutte. Let me follow the same steps, right? So we'll go through the last questions. See, the last question is using the determinants to show that the points, these 3 points are collinear anta kelidane. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ concept barutte, if the 3 points are said to be collinear, then these 3 points should be lie on the same these 3 points lie on the same line, no? So it means area of a triangle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So for that things, let us take out this a point as it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2, it is x3 and y3, right? So take out a point, b point, c point, and we know that since the to show the 3 points are correlated, let us take out area of a triangle should be 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So consider area of a triangle ABC is equal to half of, and we know the formula, that is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1, right? So that is equal to half of, see here, it is what, a comma b plus c 1 and it is b comma c plus a 1 and it is c comma a plus b and it is 1 alva. So if you show that this area of a triangle is 0, definitely we are going to have what, the area will be 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you can show that these 3 points are collinear ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So let us apply, see, we can apply the row things here. See, you can add these, that is column 1 plus column 2, you can operate the things, that is column 1 operating that c1 plus c2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So if you apply that, what will happen, it is half of, so a plus b plus c, see, that is a plus b plus c, again it is b plus c and 1 and again b of c plus a. So b plus c plus a is nothing but again you are going to have a plus b plus c and it is c plus a and it is 1, again c plus a plus b. So column 1 and column 2 na ನೀವು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ and you have to write in column 1 only ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it is again a plus b plus c and it is a plus b and it is 1, right? So if you know the things, see, I will take a plus b as common outside there. So if I take a plus b outside common, then it will be 1 1 1 and it is b plus c 1, it is c plus a 1 and it is a plus b 1. When the two columns are in the same, then definitely the determinant value is 0. So property ಇದೆ. So but this time property delete ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so 8th question ಕೇಳುವಂತ chances ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, but still you have to go through the things ಅಲ್ವಾ? So we know the property, when the two columns are of the same kind, then definitely it is 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ by the property. So if the area of a triangle becomes 0, then definitely we can write that a comma b comma c, these all the 3 points are what, collinear ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because we showed that area of a triangle here becomes what, 0. This implies the 3 points ABC are collinear. Okay na? So you need to go through these things. Suppose if he don't ask the value of k depending upon the area of a triangle, so ಅದೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, he will ask the question based on finding the equation of a line, joining the using the determinants ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎನ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there will be 2 questions on equation of a line ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. we know that equation of a line formula ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, that is determinant of x comma y comma 1 and it is x1 y1 1 and it is x2 y2 1, which is equal to 0. That is when the 2 points are given, that is a point and b point, when the 2 vertices are given. See here, for the first question it is 1 comma 2 and it is 3 comma 6. You need to find its equation alva. Let us take out these 3 vertices with the coordinates x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So put the values in the formula, that is it is 1 comma 2 comma, sorry, it is x comma x y1 and it is, let me erase this, yes, x comma y comma 1, it is 1 comma 2 comma 1 and the second vertices, that is 3 comma 6 comma 1, which is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So for given data he is given and formula, there will be 1 marks and for the correct answer there will be another value, right now. So if you simplify again, it is plus minus plus, so it is plus x into bracket, so resolve this determinant, that is 2 into 1 is 2, minus of 6 into 1 is 6, again minus y into bracket, so leave this column and this row, you will get 1 into 1, that is 1, minus of 3 into 1 is 3, again plus 1 into bracket, leave this column and this row, so 1 into 6 will be 6, minus of 3 into 2 is again 6, which is equal to 0. So you have x into bracket, so 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus y of 1 minus 3 is again minus 2, plus 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, so finally you will get only is equal to 0. Again it is minus 4x, minus into minus will be plus, it is 2y, which is equal to 0, right? So again if you simplify this, you are going to have, I will take minus 2 common, right? If I take minus 2 common, it will be what? 2x minus y equal to 0, or I can write it is 2x minus y equal to 0, or I can write y is equal to 2x. If you write this much also, you can get the marks, full marks for you, right? So another question is there. So the equation of a line joining the three vertices ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So you need to work out for your things, you need to practice these two questions in order to get 2 marks. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 3 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರಿ, ಇವೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So question number 22 I have been solved, and I will come up with the question number 21 which is asked on ITF soon. So until then keep practicing, right?